Does everyone have a note sheet right now? Okay. Throw your name on here. Hey, Mrs. Ho. It is second hour. So what we just practiced at the boards is going to be the first step of all of these problems, which is to distribute. When we distribute, what operation are we doing? Multiplication. Awesome. Thank you. So we are going to multiply the number that is in front of the parentheses to every term inside. After we get that distributing done, we solve it just like a normal two-step equation. They are the same equations that we did all the way back in 1.1. So you don't even have to deal with those fractions. It's just those 1.1 equations. So today we are introducing one new step at the beginning. If you can get that step done and get it done correctly, then it is smooth sailing from if you're caught up on 1.1. So with that being said, first problem here, I'm going to distribute my 3. So 3 times 2x, 3 times 2 is 6. Make sure you keep your x. Some people were losing that when we were at the boards. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. I'm still equal to negative 3. I only distribute to the things in that set of parentheses. That's what that's representing. That's where the parentheses end. Don't you dare try to come distribute over here, because then it's not going to keep things equal. This, with the distributing, is equal to the negative 3. Okay, from there, we solve for x. So I'm going to add 15 to both sides. I've got 6x equals negative 3 plus 15 is 12. And then I divide both sides by 6. And I get x equals 2. Okay. Any questions about that guy? Okay. We're going to move on then. Everything else is the same. There's just some weird stuff that happens. Oh, I have a negative. Oh, I'm missing a number. It's invisible. Oh, I have a fraction. So it's all those just little special cases are the other things that we have on here. So with this negative, I've got negative 5 times x. If you want to put an imaginary 1 here, you can. Negative 5 times 1x is negative 5x. So that's there. And then this was another thing that people were getting mixed up on the boards. Negative 5 times negative 2. What is that going to be? 10. Positive 10. Yep, so plus 10 equals 10. And a lot of people were realizing that it was positive, but not putting that plus sign in there. You need a symbol. It's either going to be plus or minus. Those are your two options. Okay, from here, we're going to solve this. It's just a normal equation. I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. I've got negative 5x on the left. On the right side, 10 minus 10 is 0. 0 is a number. You don't need to freak out. You can just keep going. Then we divide both sides by negative 5. 0 divided by anything is 0. Awesome. Okay, any questions on that guy? Last row. Negative 2x minus 6. Sorry, negative. The quantity 2x minus 6 equals 4. Okay. This is where people started getting tripped up. This is where people were like, I don't even know what to do. I'm just going to try to solve something. What number are we distributing here?
1.
Negative 1. Yeah, you're right that there's a 1 there, but specifically a negative 1. So that is an imaginary negative 1 there. So negative is just negative 1. So that gives us something to multiply by, which I think helps us. So negative 1 times 2x is negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 6. Negative times a negative is? Positive. Equals 4. Okay. From there, solve it like a normal equation. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. We've got negative 2x equals 4 minus 6 is negative 2. And I divide both sides by negative 2. And x equals a negative divided by a negative is,
Positive.
and anything divided by itself is 1. So negative 2 divided by negative 2 is positive 1. We're getting all of our weird cases. We're getting our zeros. We're getting our dividing out to ones. All that jazz. Okay. Last one is the fraction. I have 8 cookies. You can have 3 out of every 4 of them. What is 3/4 of 8?
6.
Yes. In a calculator. Different ways we can do that. We can do 3/4. 3 divided by 4 times 8. We can do 3 times 8 divided by 4. That one might be easier to do in your head. We do 3 divided by 4 and know that that's 0.75. Multiply that by 8. 75% of 8. Okay? So we've got 6x. Any way we slice it, we've got 6x. And then same thing with 12. 3/4 of 12. So 3 divided by 4 times up. 3 divided by 4 times 12 is 9. So 6x minus 9 equals 33. Oh my god, I did it again. Okay, so then we're going to add 9 to both sides. We get 6x equals 42. 33 plus 9 is 42. And then we're going to divide both sides by. Those cancel. And our answer is 42 divided by 6 is 7. Okay. Questions, concerns, emotions, thoughts. Okay. These notes do not have a back. That means they get just glued flat in your notebook after 1.3. If you haven't done 1.3 notes, leave a spot for them. These just go in your notebook. So, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Remember, we need to be gluing front, back, front, back, front, back. I don't know why I'm still recording. Bye, video. Hope my audio worked.